Hi, I'm Agnes Westerman from the Netherlands. This is my model Alina, and today I'm going to show you the nude color, which is a big trend at the moment. I'm going to work with cooler and warmer shades of Elumen to create this beautiful nude color. Now let's have a look how we're going to do it. Because the nude colors are more tone in tone, I use bigger panels to create more contrast. As you can see, my model Alina has long hair. Therefore, I use bigger panels because it's easy to do and it's time efficient.